Hello to everyone. Today I will discuss product of decimals. Product means multiplication. Multiplication of decimals. In decimals, how multiply? So, here 0.05 into 10. Whenever multiply with 10, the decimal point move to one digit from left to right side. Why? Because there is 10. Multiply with 10. So in the 10 there is 1 0. So in the question 0 before there is point. So whenever multiply with 10, then point from here to here, one digit move to right side. In the answer is 0.5. We can write this. Left side 0, no value. How many zeros are there? That value is same. So 0.5. You can write this. 0.5 or 0.5 or 0.5. You can write also, no problem. Any type of write. Okay. Again next one. 0.148 into 10. Here also multiply with 10. In the 10 there is 1 0. 0.148, we can read this 0.148, but don't read 148. We read single digit only. 0.148 multiply with 10. Then here also in 10 1 0 is there. So the decimal point here before 1. Then multiply with 10, the decimal point comes to here after 1. So, this question asked is right. 1.45. In the question, the decimal point before 1. Here answer is after 1. So, 1.48. That means 1.48. Okay. Next one is 2.56 into 100. 2.56 into 100. Here multiply with 100. In 100 there are two zeros. Two zeros. So here decimal point 2.56. The decimal point is 5 before. Then two digits from right side to left side to right side. Here before 5. The point is before 5. Here 100 is there. 100 two zeros are there. Then the point to two digits move to right side. Here 1 2. The point comes here. Here point comes to here. Then 256 answer. Next one is 5.04 into 1000. 5.04 into 1000. Here 1000 in 3 zeros. In 1000 there are 3 zeros. Then here decimal point is 0 before. 0 before. But there are two digits only. Here 3 zeros are there. The point move to right side 3 digit, but there are two digits only. We can write. We keep 1 0. We keep 1 0. Then here 0 4 0. 0 4 0. 3 digits. In the question, the decimal point here. In the answer is here. 3 digits. 1 2 3. Next. 41.73 into 100. 41.73 into 100. Here point before 7. In the 100, two zeros are there. So here two digits move to the right side. 7 before there is point. 1, 2. 2 digits come to the right side from left to. Here 0.12 comes here. 4173. Okay. There is no point last. We think that last point here. Here also here point. Here point. Next 41.73 into 100. In 100, 2 zeros. The decimal point move to right side 2 digits. Here there is decimal point here. 1, 2. The point will comes here. 4173. 4173. Next point here only. Next 0.06 into 1000 is equal to, here 3 zeros are there. Multiply with 1000. In the 1000, 3 zeros are there. So here decimal point 0 before is there. Then after 3 digits we keep the decimal point. But there are 2 digits only. We keep here another 0. Then 1, 2, 3. Here point in the question here. In answer 1, 2, 3 point here. We can write it 60. 0, 0, 60 means 60. Left side zeros, no value. Then here 0.007 into 1000. Here also 3 zeros are there. Then from right side, from left to right. 1, 2, 3. Will come point here. Then 0.007, or we can write it 7. Again, next one is 0.23 into 1 lakh. 1 lakh. In 1 lakh, how many zeros? 5 zeros are there. But here 2 digits. 2 digits only. Point after there are 2 digits. We can write 3 zeros. We keep 3 zeros. Then in the question, the point here. The point is here. Then after 5 digits, 1, 2, in the question 2 only, we keep another 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Then 5 are there. Here point. Next one is 0.56 into 10. Here 1 0. So before point, here point, then after 5. 5.6. 1.04 into 100. Now 100 2 zeros. The point will comes 1 2 here point. 104. 104. 104. Next one is 21.048. Here 3 zeros are there. The decimal point come to 1 2 3. 3 digits after. 21048. 12.56 into 1000. In 1000, 3 zeros are there. Here, before point, there is point before 5. Then, here 2 digits are there. We keep 1 0. Then, in the question, 5 before is there. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are there. Multiply with 1000. Then 3 zeros are there. In the question, here point 3 zeros means 1, 2, but not there another digit, we keep 0. So here point. In the question here, 3 digits move to the right side, here point. And the next one is 93.103 into 100. Here 2 zeros are there. The point before 1 is there. Then 1 2 digits count and keep the point. So 93.103. In the question there is point before 1. Now 2 digit after comes the point. Next 5.439 into 100. In 100 2 zeros. Then here 4 before point is there. Then 2 digits count after keep the point. 1 2. From here 1 2 here point. So 543.9. In the question before 5 point, here after 3. 2 digits move to right side. Here 2.001 into 10,000. Take the 10,000, 4 zeros are there. Here 0 before is there. After 0, 3 digits only. Then we keep another 0. Then 4 completed. Now here to count 4. 1, 2, 3, here 0, 4. So in the question here point 1, 2, 3 in the question given the digits. We keep another one 0. So in the question here point. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. We write the point here. There is no point, that is last. We think that there is point here. 20010 here point. Next 12,560 point. And 21,048 point. 104 point. Here already 5.6. Here 23,000. Here point. Here point. Here point. End of the digit there is point. If not there point, end of the digit point is there. Okay, understood? Okay, thank you.